Hi, I'm Justin from Wagan Tech, and today we're going to take a look at the brand new 15 amp intelligent battery charger, item number 7407. Our 15 amp intelligent battery charger is perfect for maintaining and restoring your battery, especially when it will not be used for an extended period of time. Such applications for this device are ATVs, snowmobiles, motorcycles, cars, and golf carts. Our new winter mode helps to maintain the battery when the temperature drops below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Our intelligent battery charger features internal circuitry with 6-stage charging that detects the battery type, the current battery charge, overall battery condition, and automatically responds to optimize the charging for that specific battery. Whether you're using this on your daily driver or your stored vehicle, you don't have to worry about overcharging or damaging your battery. The 15 amp intelligent battery charger also comes with protection features such as short circuit and reverse polarity protection. It can operate in conditions as cold as 32 degrees Fahrenheit and as hot as 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's been our quick look at the brand new 15 amp intelligent battery charger by Wagan Tech. If you're interested in purchasing this device, click on the link right here. Leave us a comment or question down below and click subscribe to be updated on our new products. Thank you very much for watching.